Young man, Gangster, man. How you doing, bro? Man, I've watched my record. Yeah, I've watched your video, Sunday Driver, so many times. At the end, I said, somebody going to jail at the end of this, man, because somebody ain't got no job. And I was like, oh, no, they got my man.
Yeah, they got your boy. But
So,
hey,
my question is, I see you back. You ain't stopped nothing.
They can't give me no more.
So, is there any way to get them cars back?
No.
So, because I saw in the paper where it said not for import,
Yeah,
you know,
they don't.
so they made sure they took you, when they stripped you of all your stuff.
Yeah.
But hey, we back, so it ain't never gonna stop. Man, good shit, man. Yeah, nice air cleaner on there.
Huh?
That's nice air cleaner, I like that.
Yeah, I like that.
I wonder where the filter at. The filter got to be, if it even got a filter.
He's the filter.
Oh yeah, okay, duh. I'm thinking something under there, but yeah, those are the filters right there. Okay. Yeah, well, thanks for the interview, man. I just wanted to.
Oh, yeah.
One time I saw you, I said, I come from the Bay. I said, let me come down.
It's a nice one, too.
So if you was to ever do another car, what you are doing another car? I see you're 6'3". What's your?
I got a Rag 67 right now. I'm doing.
Okay. So is it gonna kill the other one?
Killing it.
Gonna kill it?
Gonna kill it.
Okay.
This one to be the cleanest Rag 67 in the world.
Ooh wee. I mean, you wouldn't build some bad cars, man. You saying for the world?
In the world.
Okay. The streets is watching, baby. We're gonna see how you pull it out. Okay. All right. For sure. Gangster.